Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Zwift to your Apple Watch. This integration allows you to use your watch as a reliable heart rate monitor, providing valuable data for your virtual rides and runs. We'll go over the necessary apps, settings, and the step-by-step process to get you up and running. By the end, you'll be able to track your heart rate accurately and enhance your Zwift experience, making your workouts more effective and insightful. Let's dive in. Before we connect, let's ensure you have the right tools. First, download the main Zwift app onto your preferred device, whether it's an iPhone, iPad, Apple TV, or computer. Next, install the Zwift Companion app on your iPhone. This is crucial for bridging the connection. Also, double-check that Bluetooth is active on both your Apple Watch and your iPhone. Finally, confirm both devices are on the same Wi-Fi network. These simple steps lay the groundwork for a smooth setup. Now for the exciting part, pairing your watch. Start by opening the Zwift Companion app on your iPhone. Then, on your main Zwift device, look for the Pairing or Connections menu. Under the Heart Rate section, you should see an option to connect your Apple Watch. Select it, and a confirmation prompt will appear on your watch. Tap to accept, and just like that, your heart rate data will begin streaming into Zwift, giving you real-time feedback during your activity. It's that simple. Sometimes, technology needs a little nudge. If you encounter any connection hiccups, first ensure both your Zwift and Companion apps are fully updated. A quick restart of both your Apple Watch and iPhone can often resolve minor glitches. Also, try to keep other Bluetooth devices away during pairing to avoid interference. For optimal performance, always ensure your Apple Watch has ample battery life, especially for those longer rides. Finally, wearing your watch snugly on your wrist ensures the most accurate heart rate data. Happy Zwifting!
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.